In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make 200 campfire signal smoke particles in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated for 2026. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition. From there, either create a new world or load an existing one. Before you continue, make sure cheats are enabled in that world. This is important because the particle command will not work without cheat access. Once your world finishes loading, move your character to the location where you want the smoke particles to appear. The command uses your current position, so it is best to stand exactly where you want the effect to spawn. Now press the T key on your keyboard to open the in-game chat window. This is where you will enter the particle command. Type in the following command exactly as shown: /particle Minecraft campfire signal smoke tilde 1 tilde 0.2 0.2 0.01 200 forceta. Written out in command form, it is /particle Minecraft campfire signal smoke tilde approximately 1 tilde 0.2 0.2 0.01 200 forceta tilde. This command tells Minecraft to generate the campfire signal smoke particle one block above your current position. The three 0.2 values create a small spread around the spawn point. The 0.01 value controls the speed, which keeps the smoke effect subtle and natural. The number 200 sets the total number of particles. The force setting makes sure the particles are shown even at longer viewing distances, and at a means all players can see the effect. After you have typed the command, press enter. As soon as you do, Minecraft will spawn 200 campfire signal smoke particles at the targeted location. If nothing appears, check the command carefully for typing mistakes. Also confirm that cheats are enabled and that you are using Minecraft Java Edition. Even a small typo in the particle name or values can stop the command from working. If you want to use the same effect again, simply open chat and run the command another time. You can also move to a different location first if you want the smoke to appear somewhere else in your world. That covers everything you need to know.